Pumelelo, like the good son that he is, decides to have a meet up with Uvuyogazi, discussing this whole thing of Istembu Sake that he's planning. So remember, guys, when Pumelelo had a chat with his dad, and his dad is basically like, going big, Vuyogazi, blah, 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 blah. So on the trailer of the next episode of Izingane Zestembu, we see Mpumelelo meeting up with Vuyogazi, wanting to discuss basically her accepting his choice. And I must say, guys, Vuyogazi looks so tired. She looks tired and defeated. You know, a woman, guys, that is fed up. A woman that is fed up doesn't even have time to be arguing with you. You see, if she's still arguing with you, still getting mad at you, still wants to make noise for you, just know that her heart is still in it. But you see, once a woman reaches that limit where she's not even saying much, she's just giving you one word answers, just know what she's checked out. And it looks like, guys, that Uvuyogazi has finally reached her breaking point. So Mpumelelo in the trailer is basically saying to Uvuyogazi, like, just accept what I want to do. Remember, Mpumelelo basically said that Uvuyogazi loves me, but she doesn't love what I do. So he wants her to accept basically that he wants to take a wife who's going to be wife number one. That is not going to be her. And whereas all along, all these years, he's been selling her dreams and telling her that she is basically going to be wife number one. Now, all of a sudden, plans have changed and she's not part of the plans of being wife number one. And Vuyogazi is like, nope, sir, I am not settling for any position that is not number one. Now, guys, like, just realistically speaking, ne? Because I feel like this whole thing of discussing Vuyogazi not wanting to be number one, it's kind of exhausting right now. But if we're just being honest, ne? If you don't have inkinga nesithembu, you guys, if awuna inkinga nesithembu and you really love this guy, you'll settle for wife number two. That's just how I'm thinking it, you guys. I know that it will be painful to accept position number two, whereas all along you are sold dreams that you're going to receive position number one. But at the end of the day, guys, all of these women, like even Unosipho being wife or supposedly, because guys, it's not even confirmed. All these things that we're talking about, it's not even confirmed. Mpumelelo has not even made advances to any of these women's families, you know? So we don't even know if Unosipho wakhona, if she will even stick it through to a point where they take out amalobolo for her. These are just talks that is just in the air, you know. But I was saying that I know that Uvedas, it would hurt for a guy to like demote you in a sense and change his plans. But all I'm saying is that even Unosipho, she's not in a better off position just because she's mom cool. That whole thing, yeah, my position is scam, especially being umam cool. It's the biggest scam ever, you guys, because that means being umam cool, you are required to sacrifice much more than the rest of the other ladies. So I feel like if Uvuyogazi really loves this guy and she doesn't mind being stingy, what's the problem? Like, just accept position number two, because position number one doesn't make you any more special than the other woman. You guys are all in the same position. Like, at this point, I don't get it. I don't get it. Unless if Ngempela, she does have a problem with Istembu, or maybe in her head, it's the whole embarrassment of like the way Umelelo did it. But girl, if you really have intentions of one day sticking with this guy, maybe just take position number two, because who knows, you'll be coming back and then you'll be position number five. You'll be in position number five and then you'll be having attitude with other women just because you were in Pumelelo's life before the others. That's all I am saying, you guys. But anyway, Uvuyogazi, you guys, at that point, Mpumelelo is like, accept what, like, just accept what I want to do. Vuyokazi, she's not taking, she just said, you know what, do whatever you want to do. Oh, girl is tired of talking, and you know what, I get it, and I'm happy for her. Like, apparently she says she did check out. I don't know if she really checked out of this relationship 100% or what not. I love you guys, but there's just something funny about us women that sometimes we make decisions that it's not that we necessarily don't wanna, like, it's not that we necessarily don't wanna be in that relationship, but we make decisions that sometimes we will come back to regrets. And I just hope that Uvi, this decision she's making, that she's not gonna come back to it. She's not gonna want to come back to Mpumelelo. If she's making a decision and she's saying, I'm never looking back, then I really am happy for her. But Mpumelelo then goes ahead, another scene of having a meeting with his dad, basically going back to his dad and bigaring or reporting that, yay, it is not looking good. And listen, for the first time ever, that's the first time I saw Mpumelelo looking stressed. He looks stressed, you guys. You know how he likes acting chilled and likes acting like just the way his father likes acting like a bona. They don't beg woman. I could then jalo behind closed doors. They beg women. They just like acting like big shots here on TV. But they know very well that they beg women behind closed doors. So he tells his father that, yay, Ushubile, things are not looking good. And I think he's obviously, or I think he's referring to Vuyokazi, that Vuyokazi really seems as if she's done with it. And he does look stressed. And as you guys will see, we'll see what happens. But yeah, these two people are fed up. Like, I feel like Mpumelelo is fed up, or he doesn't have love for Uvu, you guys. But there's no way it's not hurting him, you guys. This is the mother of his children. He's been with her for a while. It's just that with men, they process a breakup like after a while than a woman. So you'll find out when the woman is finally moving on and she's like, you know what, I'm finally like ready like to put this to rest. Then the guy is like, listen, I want you back and don't. So maybe in their heads they truly like think, ah, she's gonna come back to me, what women are emotional beings, and all of that nonsense that they lie to themselves about. So I don't know. I don't know, you guys, but anyway, Mpumelelo, if he decides that Marcel is the way to go, let him lie on the bed that he has made. And Uvuyokazi, likewise, I truly wish them all the best, especially Uvuyokazi, but I truly do hope that she doesn't look back. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.